Hi, in this video we will talk about and see how we can publish our website online using Github Pages. So let's get started. First we have to open our browser and search for GitHub. As you can see, I have also searched. Then open the Github page and log in with your account. Now what we have to do is create a new repository. So we have to click new repository and we have to give our repository a name. So I'll just choose my personal my first page, web page, as my repository name. And we should keep in mind that .github.io is very important to publish our website online. So I'll just give some description of my web page. Now we have to keep our web page public and this repository public so anyone can have access to it. I'll just choose a license, MIT license, which is also free. Let me just uncheck Gitnode. Now we have to click on create repository. In this way our repository will be created and we can see like this. Now we have to upload our HTML web page. So I'll just create one and show you how. We have to give our web page name as index.html. Now I'll just copy my code as I already written a web page, dummy web page. I'll just copy it from my local machine and just paste it here. The alternative way is that you can also use git command and push your code using the command itself. After saving as index.html, I'll just commit. In the commit section we can write anything, so I'm just writing casually. This is my first online GitHub web page. I'll keep this as empty. Now we have to select the commit directly to the main branch. Yeah, this is very important. Now we have to do commit new file. Once done, now what we have to do is we have to go to settings, scroll down and go to GitHub Pages. We'll just open this page and in the none section, source, we have to provide its source, the main branch, and save it. Once saving, my page will be online, and as you can see that just after saving it will take some time in order to publish my web page. So I just clicked it and found that it was not uploaded. So we have to just wait for a few minutes and it will automatically be published. As you can see now that after few minutes my web page is finally published, and you can also see that my website is also secured. So GitHub Pages is very useful for making portfolio and static websites, so we can use that as it is also secured. I'll just show you my website. I have redirected to my original website. That's all for this video in TECHOCITY, and hope to meet you in the next one. Thank you.